I've come to Swann Covered Bridge here in Blount County, and I had no idea that it had been closed to traffic. But I guess I'm brave enough to walk across. I guess this does give you a little bit different vantage point, because this is the longest covered bridge in Alabama, and if you get in here and cars are coming either which way, it can be a bit scary. Here, I'm gonna let you see what it looks like over the edge here in just a second. We'll get close to the middle. Very cool rock wall down there on that end. Very neat spot. I just got the scoop from a man who works for the county taking care of the bridges that all three bridges did not pass their inspection at some point last year, so that's why they've had to close them. And he said he believes that they'll be back open eventually, but they've got a lot of work to do on them. He's been making some improvements on them himself, so I think they'll get them back going. I don't know. He said that the bridges are very convenient for a lot of people that live around here, because they have to go a long way around to cross the river. This Mulberry Fork, I'm sorry, this is not Mulberry Fork, this is Locust Fork. So these bridges are convenient for those folks that live around here, but for the people like me who just come up here to visit, this is a pretty cool deal, because now I can walk all the way across without worrying about getting run over. It's pretty neat.